Are you a senior in New Jersey and are you looking to save money on your property taxes? In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to apply for senior tax relief in a very simplified and organized way. The Property Tax Relief Application, also known as Pass 1, is a single form that lets you apply for three major programs: Senior Freeze, the Anchor Program, and Stay New Jersey. One application, three benefits. Step 1, gather your info. Before you even open the application, grab everything you'll need: a computer and a smartphone, your driver's license or passport card, your property tax bill, your most recent tax return, your social security number, and your spouse's if you're married. Plan to spend about 15 to 20 minutes completing the form in one sitting. If you don't finish in time, the system will log you out and you'll have to start over. Step 2, ID verification. The first thing the system will do is verify your identity through ID.me. You'll upload pictures of the front and back of your ID, and sometimes it will ask for a short video selfie. Once that's done, you'll be sent back to the application. Having your ID handy makes this step quick. Step 3, answer the application questions you'll be asked about. When you've moved into your current home, details about your property, like your block and lot number, and your property taxes. If you need help finding your block and lot number, let us know. We're more than happy to help you with these details. Income from your most recent tax return. And also you have to fill out your marital status, and if married, your spouse's information. Step 4, submit your application. Review your answers carefully before submitting. If you apply online, you'll get confirmation right away. If you mail it in, make sure it's postmarked before October 31st. Quick recap: gather all documents before starting. Set aside 15 to 20 minutes to finish in one go. Complete the ID.me verification. Fill out the application questions. Submit before the October 31st deadline. Being prepared makes the process fast and stress-free. With one application, you can unlock multiple tax relief programs for your home. If you have questions or need a hand, reach out to us at Over 55 New Jersey. We've helped countless New Jersey homeowners get this done quickly and correctly. Visit over55nj.com or give us a call so you don't leave this money on the table. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions at all about the PAS1 app, if you qualify your eligibility status, feel free to reach out. We're happy to help you apply. There's also a paper application we can help you direct you to. The online application is the easiest and the one we recommend. But just don't forget to apply. The deadline is October 31st, so you definitely want to apply for that and take advantage of these benefits. Make it a great day, and we look forward to seeing you next time.